Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine and doing well at home. Well, I'm your GK teacher, Miss Iram Naz, and I'm here to teach you GK. So let us begin our today's work. So my dear ones, as you know that in English 3-line copies, you have 5 copies that was given. 3 was for English and 2 copies are for GK. So here are 2 GK copies. One is your homework and one is your GK test copy. Okay, so you have to write GK homework on one copy and GK test copy on the other copy. Okay, now let us begin our today's work. Today we will do the blessing of Allah. We have already read this chapter. So what you will do, you have to listen to a very beautiful poem that I will recite for you, and then you have to see that Allah had created everything around us. Can you see? With the flowers, land, moon, sun, trees, everything is created by Allah. So let's start counting the blessing of Allah. You have to learn, you have to read this along with me, and then you will enjoy and understand कि Allah ताला ने हमें कौन-कौन सी नेमतें दी हैं. ठीक है? Let us begin. If you count the blessings of Allah, you will never number them. If you count the blessings of Allah, you will never number them. From the air that we breathe to the food that we eat, the eyes we see with and the hearing from our ears, you will never number them. You will never number them. You just have to look to the big blue sky and then take a look at the ocean seas, the beautiful trees, the bird that we see. We must say thank you Allah for all these blessings each single day. है ना बहुत प्यारी सी पोएम ये? तो आपने भी दोबारा से मेरे साथ ये पढ़ना है, ठीक है? If you count the blessings of Allah, you will never number them. From the air that we breathe to the food that we eat, the eyes we see with and the hearing from our ears, you will never number them. You will never number them. You just have to look to the big blue sky and then take a look at the ocean seas, the beautiful trees, the bird that we see. We must say thank you Allah for all these blessings every single day. Very good. If you count the blessings of Allah, you will never number them. Count all the beautiful stars, count all your precious bones, count all your family members, count all the money you have, count the fingers on your hand, count the eyes you see with, count all the rain that dropped. Thank you Allah for everything. Thank you Allah for everything. Very good, mashallah, you have said such a nice thing. आपने भी क्या किया है? आपने अल्लाह की नेमतों का शुक्र अदा किया है कि अल्लाह ताला ने इस दुनिया को बनाकर और हमें जो जो नेमतें दी हैं उसका हम शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए हर वक्त. ठीक है? सो यू हैव टू रीड दिस पोएम अगेन एंड अगेन ताकि आपको पता चले कि अल्लाह ताला ने हमें कितनी नेमतें दी हैं जिसका हमें शुक्रगुजार होना चाहिए और हमें अल्लाह का थैंक यू अदा करना चाहिए. ठीक है? लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर. Ji, my dear ones, so what is our today's task? Today we will name and draw two blessings of Allah on our GK homework copy. So this is your page. What you will do, you first of all you will write date 26th April 21 X.W and Monday, and then on the first line you will write unit number 1. On the second line you will write Allah. And then what you will do, you will make a small star और उसके बाद आप लिखेंगे name and draw 2 blessings of Allah. यानी अल्लाह की कोई भी 2 नेमतों के नाम लिखने हैं और आपने उसको ड्रॉ भी करना है. आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा यहाँ पे आपको फिश नज़र आ रहा है, फ्लावर, ट्री, strawberry, bird, you can see an apple, you can see a girl, you can see a boy. ये अल्लाह ताला की कितनी सारी नेमतें हैं, कितनी सारी ब्लेसिंग्स है। सबसे पहले आपने यहाँ पे उसका नेम लिखना है और उसके बाद यहाँ पे उसको ड्रॉ करना है, ठीक है। यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है और यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है। तो आपको पता है ना अल्लाह की कितनी सारी नेमतें हैं जो आप इजीली जिनके नेम्स याद कर सकते हैं और उनको बहुत अच्छी तरह ड्रॉ करके बाद में आपने उसको कलर भी करना है, ठीक है मेरे बच्चों। लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर। Well, that's all my dear students. Do your work neatly and carefully and don't forget to write full date and day on top of the pages and learn and practice the new words again and again, okay? That's all my dear students. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new notification and updates. This is Miss Iramna signing off. Inshallah, I'll see you in my next video lecture. Allah Hafiz.